Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what is considered one of the best 8-ounce canning jars with lids on the market. The UrSpeedtekLive 30-pack mason jars. If you're into preserving homemade jams, jellies, honey, or even organizing your kitchen with stylish storage options, these jars might just be the perfect fit for you. These jars come in a convenient 30-pack, each with an 8-ounce capacity, which makes them ideal for half-pint canning. They are made from high-quality food-grade glass, which is BPA-free and lead-free, ensuring that whatever you store inside remains safe and uncontaminated. The clear glass design provides excellent visibility of the contents, so you always know what's inside without opening the lid. One of the standout features of these jars is their versatility. Not only are they perfect for canning and preserving food, but they also work great for storing dry spices, herbs, nuts, sauces, or even creating beautiful DIY projects like homemade candles and wedding favors. Their compact size means they don't take up too much space in your pantry or refrigerator, helping you keep your kitchen neat and organized. The lids and bands that come with these jars deserve a special mention. Each jar features a silver split-type lid with a flat metal disc and a solid screw band. This design helps create a secure seal, which is essential for maintaining freshness and preventing leaks or spills. The jars are also dishwasher safe and microwave safe, though you'll want to remove the lids before microwaving, and refrigerator safe, making them very practical for everyday use. The package includes some thoughtful extras that add value to the set. You get 72 labels to mark your jars, which is perfect for keeping everything clearly identified. There's also a sponge brush included to make cleaning easier, and a bundle of decorative string for those of you who want to add a special touch to your jars when gifting or displaying. In terms of dimensions, each jar measures approximately 3.3 inches in length and width, with a height just over 3 inches, making them sturdy yet easy to handle. The total weight for the set is just over 10 pounds, so they feel substantial without being too heavy. If you're wondering about maintenance, these jars are simple to care for. Just wash them before first use and dry the lids thoroughly to prevent rust. Their durable glass construction and safe materials mean they're reusable for many seasons to come. Overall, the UrSpeedtekLive 8-ounce mason jars offer a combination of quality, functionality, and style. Whether you're preserving your favorite homemade foods or looking for a reliable storage solution, this set covers all the bases with a great price point. They are practical, multi-purpose, and designed to help keep your kitchen organized. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.